Hi, I'm Greg from CG Industries, and we're here to present the Octobot. What is the Octobot? It's a toy developed with Dr. Smith at the Keck School of Medicine to help children with movement disorders learn to kick their legs.
So Greg, tell me, how does the Octobot motivate kids to move their legs?
Well, the children wear these helpful sensors in their legs that detect when they kick. When we pick up a kick, we activate the Octobot, which lights up with great LEDs and a fun song.
To operate the Octobot, you need 4 pieces of equipment. You're going to need these 2 monitors, which are going to be inside the baby socks, and they're going to be recording all of the motion data. You also have the docking station, in which the monitors will be configured in, and you have the access point, which will be wirelessly recording all of the data from the monitors. And you will also have the XB, which will be wirelessly communicating with the Octobot itself. So the first thing you want to do is dock these monitors into the docking station. And then finally you want to make sure that everything is plugged into your computer via a USB.
So now we're going to talk about how to operate the Octobot. So the first thing you want to do is select the COM port here on your XP. Then you want to input the calibration name for whatever file you have, and it's just a data set that's previously run from these sensors. So then you can go ahead and start the program, and you're going to want to hit OK, which means that the sensors are both docked. So you want to dock those, then hit OK. Now it's going to configure the sensors, so we're going to take a break and we'll be right back. So now that the configuration is done, you're going to go ahead and remove the sensors and wait for them to both flash green, as you see now. And then we can hit OK. So now we're actually recording data. So you can see that was actually an activation there. And that's another one. So both sensors are working, so if there's a kick on either leg, we should get it. Now let's show a motion that doesn't activate the toy.
That was 10 inches, and I'm going to say, fuck, that says it's 50 inches.
You can see these movements that just involve either vertical or axial movement don't represent kicks. 2 things that we're really proud of with this program is that it's truly in real time. So we're actually streaming the data into LabVIEW and analyzing it at the same time. This is so important because the whole point of the Octobot is that it's supposed to motivate the children. And if they can't associate their kicks with an activation, that's just not going to happen. Another thing we're proud of is the toy being totally wireless and that communication between the XPs. That was a little bit tricky to figure out, but we think it's really successful. Octobot!